host. You're asking why I like being a host. Well, it's because I'm popular. I'm a celebrity in the town. Why wouldn't you want to be a host? I mean, everyone gets to know who you are, and well, you get to say your opinion, which is my opinion matters the most, so that's why. Okay, I love these scripts, but all these jokes in there, could I just say them because I'm the funny one?
Yeah, no, for sure. Okay, I do love being a host. It's been really fun, but oh boy. With Caesar here, I don't know. Maybe my time is coming to an end. It's a whole different experience. So we're looking for someone like...
Well, I was thinking like, maybe we're looking for someone who's like awesome, genuine, but like not better than us, because like why would they ever be better than us? Because like we are the best newscasters here, and like maybe better than you, like just they can't be better than me. Like I was just thinking like someone who's great.
Yeah, like maybe someone who's not like you.
Like, I'm not sure why we're really looking for a new host. My feelings on it are kind of mutual, I guess you could say. I just don't think we need one. I mean, I'm still here. It's not like I'm dying. Like, I'm here for a while. Why are we looking for a new host?
A third host? We've already got two, and I am not a fan of the other one.
Why would you ever say that about me? Like, I'm like,
hey, we're live.
We were just looking for someone awesome. Yeah, hosting with Effie, it's an experience, you could say. You ever like seen one of those like crazy movies? Yeah, it's a lot like that. I just find it really hard to work with her sometimes, and well, quite frankly, she's annoying. So why would it be nice to get a new host to replace her?
Oh, and his breath? Woo! You! When I'm just talking to him, I'm like, oh, I get blown away for a second. Oh shoot, we're gonna be late. Okay, remember, it's not all about you. Just trying to find the third host.
Come on now, it doesn't matter. Maybe they won't even have talent. We'll just stay the same. Okay, lights, camera, action.